This is very fantastic area. Dear guys, I hope that all are well. Many times I was here and there because my university was in this place. I am in Bonani now because I came here in this place for official work. That's why I think I make a video. This area, very known place. Many friends and dear friends and sir and teachers. Lot of times I was meeting and discussion and especially tea stall. So today I come here in this place. সত্যি আমি নিজেকে ধরে রাখতে পারছি না কারণ লাইফের খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট টাইম I was spent for my education when I was a student of engineering the Northern University Bangladesh. Here you can see that the tower. That is my university, but my university already shipped to another place. That's why there is no student at the tower because the tower is used another work. So really I am proud I was studying in my university, especially in Northern. So thank you so much. ভালো থাকবেন সবাই।